So this is what I meant by when you have a long piece, I angle it and I get this end in extra far. So you can see we're down to about 7-8 inches. And we're going to bring it back to 12, but it's better to get it up in further. And then I go along and gradually pull it back until I get my 12 inches all over. And I keep walking back and forth and checking. So you see how we have this ripple in there? So what I'll do is I'll go in there. Actually, I can get on the roof now. Got enough space here. So what I'll do is kind of press this down. And you see, move the ripple along. And that'll hopefully get it past any ridges that are holding it. But if it doesn't, I can usually tell where they are, and then I can reach underneath. And if we go far enough, which I'm kind of running out of roof here, so I'm not going to be able to go all the way, but it should bring it, should slide it up. Although we got something catching, I can see right there. There it goes. And we have another catch. You see, all it takes is a little sliver to hold this. So I'm going to just pick this up. There, now we're over it. We must have something still holding it. Okay, and there we are. So now I'm going to go back on the roof and move it over a little bit more and do that again. So I'm working it up in. I have to reach in. Right here I don't have enough room to lay down and then reach in, but up there I do. So I might be able to get this. If not, I'll go down on the ladder and work at it from there. It takes a little time, but you're getting one full strip, so you're getting at least like 28 square feet in one shot. So take my time, be patient, and then when I get it up in extra far, then I'll go along and just pull it back a little by little until I get to my 12 inches. And then go along and start measuring with the tape measure and adding the screws. Okay, let's keep going.